This will be Dake Leon 25, and it will be in the Bible folder. Now we continue with God's plan for man. The first section we were in was called Holy Scripture. Now we're going to the next section, page 20, page 52 to 53. And this is not in the one called Holy Scripture. This is in the one actually called by subject. Let's see if we can find the subject here. The Truth of God. And this section actually is called True Interpretations of God as Spirit. Now, we read you this before about the influence of Henry Ryman. I told you about that. And Henry Ryman was a great influence on him. So I will read you that now. It says Modern Science in Genesis. Excellent work on the creation and recreation in Genesis 1, as well as many wonderful notes combating the theory of evolution. Also, this book refers as God having a bodily substance. Now, Dake did believe that God had a bodily substance, and he wrote a great deal about that. So on page 52 to 53, you have all of that writing influenced by this man. And so when you read that, you will find how much he influenced that section itself on those 2 pages. So that is also a very good read. Now, what we do when we continue, we're going to the next section, which is on page 113. And in this case, on page 113, we have what is called Lesson 7, Rebellion, Overthrow of the First Social Order. And this is by G.H. Pemper, who is in the settings. And this is a great one that also Watchman Nee is influenced here. The Spiritual Man, done by Watchman Nee, that was a great influence on this section as well.